a beautiful morning outside of our hotel. Birds are chirping, clouds over the mountain. It's really lovely here.
Hey guys, so we are back at Tambo del Inka in Uriamba, Peru. We had an amazing visit to Machu Picchu. We are in a junior suite. Okay, let's go check out the suite. I have an amazing living room. Nice area rug. Very earthy but colorful decor. So by the door here, you have a little bar area. Some more snacks and drinks. And then down below, you have a second fridge, in case one fridge isn't enough. A little dining room area. Well, some people might use the desk. We normally use a dining room table or something like that to do our workouts. We have a cute little accent table with the telephone, more artwork. A lounge chair that Doug loves. You take one of those squishy pillows from the couch and put it on here and you have an amazing place to lay down. And then you have your balcony doors. And we have the king size bedroom. Really nicely decorated in terms of matching the environment. You have a nice coffee maker. Of course, you have mini bar food and some wine. You have your mini fridge, lots of glasses, ice buckets. Beautiful Inca style rugs. We'll do a quick tour of the bathroom. Nice big plushy robes. There's a second one in the closets. Bath salts from the spa, Lushaman soaps, and shampoo and conditioner. And you can always ask for more if you need it. More toiletries. A vanity kit, body lotion, soap bars, and the water is all free, included. Nice little touches like the flowers. And of course the ladies will like the makeup stool. A nice little sitting area behind me and doors to the patio. 2 sets of patio doors. And in the morning, we'll check out the patio. So now that it's daytime, we're gonna see the patio. This is the exit through the bedroom. You have a nice chair, a lounger. The river's right in front. You can totally hear the birds. So we get a little view of it this way. So on one side out of the bedroom, you have the lounge chairs. And then on the other side, this is the patio that is the entrance to the living room. Thanks for checking us out. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so that you get regular updates from us. And thanks for watching.